Hey guys, it's your boy Theriox, and we're back again with Project Freddy Remastered. Last time we got ah, oh yeah, Shadow Freddy got our butts. Yeah, I almost forgot for a moment, but let's go. And also, before we start, I need you to like, subscribe, and comment. You guys know the drill with these people, so let's go. Night 5. Let's see what's different. Gotta charge his battery. They're probably gone.
Hey, have you noticed the manager has been acting weird? Like, really weird? He's not the person he was when he first started. Probably because of people going missing and stuff, I guess. Speaking of which, we recently found blood. Before leading up to the part service room.
I told you he was dying. He died. Oh no, they got him.
Pathetic. Absolutely pathetic.
The purple guy.
Yeah, I'm talking to
See,
you.
I knew it.
The third party witnessing everything. Wouldn't have been easy to accept that the devil.
Sorry. See. Come on. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. Let me give you some time. Why do I hear two? Yeah, I hear two. That's a cheap gun. Again? I'm probably gonna be dead. See, they keep coming up. Well, why is he... I need backed away from the camera for a second. I literally got out of the camera for 1 second. For 1 second. It was only 1 second. See? I just got out of the camera for 1 second. I got out of the camera for 1 second. I heard laughter. See, I'm just waiting until it hits 5 or something. Oh. I got out of the camera for 1 second. I had to keep an eye on Foxy though. As always. I got out for the camera for 1 second. Thank you. $5 a.m. Yes. Just a few more hours. Just one more hour. Just 1 more hour. I did it. Go. Don't tell me I'm dead, Foxy. Don't even tell me that. Gosh. I got out of the camp for 1 second. Chill. Just hit 6 already. I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for it. Just disappeared. Thank you. And my Christian's acting weird again. Oh, God. Oh no. Blue guy! Please let us go. We haven't done anything. No. Please, Dad. Oh no! Don't kill us. Dude! Please. Yeah, please don't do it. Okay, that actually hit me though. That actually hit me solid, but that really hit me. That's it. Yeah. Nice 6-0. Well, I did say 2 nights after part 1 and 2, so let's go. I'm probably gonna sell this. But I just want. And he rise. And he rose. Rise. Rose. I don't know. Okay, okay, it's different now. Okay, I can already tell it's getting different. Yeah, it's different. Oh yeah, it's way different. Just don't go on any of the cameras he's in. Yeah, don't go to the cameras he's in. Easy. Just move at the farthest camera. Just move at the farthest camera. Stay at the farthest camera because none of them are active. See? See? Yep. Play frequency. I imagine they give you no time in this night. Repair. Something. I heard something. Imagine I click radar. I heard something. I heard something. Come on! Ventilation is back. Well, imagine that took a very long time. God! Until the others are active as well. Please go away. Foxy. Why is he active? Where's the others? Great. Saved by them. Charge the battery. No problems. And that's why So imagine they just came here. Okay, that was perfect timing. Combo! Don't do the double-decker combo! I don't like it. I'm gonna use... Yeah, I knew it. I gotta sacrifice something. I gotta worry about frequency. 5 a.m. Oh. Nope! Nope! I don't know what I'm trying to find. No, go! Go back. No, go! There's nowhere else to go. I can't go. Where's... I know there's a pat... Okay. 1848. Oh. Okay, I guess... Okay, to be completely honest, I guessed on the last number. No. Bro, I had my heart racing. And I died. I can already tell this is gonna be frustrating. I can already tell this is gonna be frustrating. I can't. Let's just say that it gotta be there somewhere. Nope. Nope. Imagine. Just a memory. Escape. No! No! I accidentally. No! Gosh, no! I accidentally closed the game. No. boot up this game. Bro, pull up the game. Okay, there it is. I accidentally closed off the game, though. You know how frustrating that was? Just escape. And playing in the dark makes it much. Like, like I'm shaking right now. So it's not gonna be at the same. Then why is it pulling? Why? Okay. Oh, so the safe is not gonna be that same spot. Figures. Upsetting. Here it is. 8, 7, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. What was it? What was it again? 107. 107. 107, 107, 107, 107. And he's at the safe. No. 107, 9, 6, 8. Got the key, and we're about to lock in. What do I do? Oh. You cannot escape from us. I was Nope! Nope! Go ahead, exit. Bro! Yeah, keep doing that. Stop! Go to... Too late. You're right at the exit. Stop. I'm not gonna have much time left. I can still do it! I can still do it! I can... This isn't over. I can still do it. We'll be back. Watching you. We did it. We did it. We did it. Oh my god, that scared me. Alright. Let's go to extra first, and then I'm ending the video. My god, that... I still have some. I can still do it. Freddy. Skip. Smash. Smash! Come on. Smash. Mm-mm. Oh, I hate this dude. CASIDY. The golden one. Literally. He's the one. He's the original. Original. And I don't know who this is. No, I don't know what this is. This is Shadow Freddy. But my question is, who is he behind the Shadow Freddy? Who is he behind that? Rock. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wait, no. Oh. Yo. Yeah. Like, bro, that's tough. Oh. No. No. Nope. We're definitely not doing these. No. We're not doing this either. No. Just no. Let's do the credits because I was still reading everything. Thank you very much. Yeah, I feel you. Because I don't know how to code a FNAF game, really. So that's the extras. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Nope. No. No. Just no. No. Anyways, that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment. Anything will do. And I'll see you next time on this game. And maybe I'll try 2020 mode on this. Maybe. But anyways, goodbye y'all, and peace.